Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Tropical Punch Zoey from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw a curved line for the top of her head to the side, turn it downwards on the left right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side, and at the side on the left I'm going to draw a curved line sideways, sharp turn back in. I'm going to copy the same shape again at this point, and from this corner I'm going to make a turn downwards, across, turn back up, sharp turn back down, continue the line across, another niche at that point, across in the middle point right there, repeat the same niche all the way to the right, turn it back up, and the same shape of the hair at the side on the right as well. Going back up at the left side, I'm gonna draw curved line right there, extend it to the left and down, semicircle turn back down at that corner. Above of that shape, I'm gonna draw a circular line right there, and below that on the left, a curved line downwards and out, turn it downwards, another curved line below that, and another curved line. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side as well. For her glasses, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner, turn it down in the middle point, across, curved line, and going back to the left side, turn it downwards, back in, curved line downwards, semicircle turn at the corner across for the lower part, curved line back up in the middle point, and curved line across. Inside of the glasses, I'm gonna trace the same outline with curved corners right there, and I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side. Below the glasses at the side, I'm gonna draw the side of her face with a curved line down, semicircle turn towards the chin and diagonal line, semicircle turn in the center and back up on the right side right there. Copy the same shape for the side of her face. For her ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line for the top, extend it down with a curved line at the side, curved line back up to the side of her face. Inside of that, I'm going to trace the same outline for the top point and the side, and a curved line at this corner. Copy the same shape of the ear on the right side, and going back to her face, I'm going to draw her nose with a curved line on the right side right here, extend it up to the middle point of the glasses, and curved line at the side of the nose, and a curved line for the tip right there. For the mouth, I'm going to draw across a curved line for the middle point of the mouth, and for the top lip, from the corner, I'm going to draw a curved line to the center, upwards, downwards in the middle point, back up, and down at the corner of the mouth. a curved line across for the lower part of the lips, right there. Below the face, I'm gonna draw a line down for her neck on both sides. Turn it sideways at the base outwards to the shoulders. Semicircle turn at that outer corner downwards. Going back to her hair, I'm gonna take this point at the side of her head and draw a curved line downwards. Turn it back to the left, sharp turn, back up into that point. From this corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and a curved line up from this side of the shoulder and a curved line right here. I'm gonna draw some spiky shape for the details of the hair right there, and another one at this corner. Turn it all the way back to the side of the head. I'm gonna do a similar shape for the right side right here as well. For her choker, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this point and another one below that. And from the shoulder point, a line downward, semicircle turn to the center, across, and copy the same shape on the right side. And at the side, curved line down, turn it slightly out, and back in at the lower point, across a curved line at the point, another curved line slightly below that, and a line down on both sides right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side right there. Below the top, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides, curved line across again at that point, curved line down on both sides, shorter one on the right, an oval shape at this corner right here, and inside of that oval shape I'm gonna draw a curved line on the left corner right here, and on the left side of that whole oval I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the left, another similar line at this lower point right here, and a line down at this corner. For the backpack at the side of her skirt, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there. Curved line across at this point, turn it upwards with a semicircle turn, and to the right. Trace the same line across at this point, across, and a line at the side downwards. Above that, I'm going to draw a line up at this corner, semicircle turn to the right, copy the same shape, semicircle turn to the right at that point, and turn it diagonally down to the belt. In the middle of the skirt above, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right here, a rectangular shape at the side right there, and on the right side here, a line across for the top of her belt all the way to the side of the skirt right there, and another one at the lower point right here. And below the backpack at the side on the left, I'm gonna draw a line down, turn it inwards, and for the right side, a line down, a similar line inwards at the lower point right there, And in the middle of the pants, a curved line across. At that point, a line down off center on both sides. I'm going to trace the same line right there. For the legs, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards right there, and for the inner line as well, going back outwards below the knee right there and in towards the ankle. And at the ankle point, I'm going to draw across a curved line and another one below that, and a curved line at the sides downwards. Continue the line of the legs downwards. Another strap at this point with a curved line across. Another curved line across at the lower point right there. I'm going to draw another curved line across upside down at this point right here. Another one below that. And at the side, a curved line from the lower point all the way to that upper point. For her socks, I'm going to draw a line across below the knee right here. Another 2 line below that. At the thigh, I'm going to draw across 2 lines. I'm going to copy the whole leg shape on the right side as well. For the line of her arms, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at the side of the shoulder, another curved line at the elbow point downwards, slightly flared out, and back in towards the wrist. And for the inner line, we're going to draw a mirror line to the wrist, curved line at the thumb, turn it downwards, semicircle turn back up to the inner corner of the thumb, sharp turn back down all the way to the tip, semicircle turn back up. Similar shape for the other finger, and as a side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line, another curved line all the way back to the wrist at that point. Below the shoulder, I'm going to draw across 2 curved lines at the side of the arms right there. And for the right arm, we're going to draw a similar shape as well. And slightly below the elbow, I'm going to draw across a curved line and diagonal lines across the lower arms right there. For the stripes, all the way down to the wrist. Turn it down at the thumb and sideways. Copy the same shape again to the other finger, curved line at the side. And the outer line, I'm gonna draw some circular shape like that. Below her choker, I'm gonna draw a V shape. Again below that, and a line at the sides. Across the top part of her hair, I'm going to draw some zigzag line. Like that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.